In this video today, I'm going to be showing you all how to convert your older AV device, such as a DVD player, a VCR player, your Xbox, your Wii, your GameCube, you name it, over to HDMI using this simple $10 adapter that I got off Amazon, eBay. You can get it pretty much anywhere, and I will have it linked down below. And what this adapter does is it basically converts the AV signal coming out of your DVD player or other device. As you can see here, these colors line up, and you connect them with a simple AV cable here, and then that connects to this, and then this converts that AV input into an HDMI output, which we then connect the output of this device from here to the back of your TV or monitor or other HDMI device. Common mistake people make when putting this all together is they forget that they have to power the AV2HDMI adapter using the USB port on the bottom of the device here. And most of the time the devices will come with USB-B cables like this one, but if yours does not, then I will also have that link down below. Anyways, we can go ahead and start connecting the adapter to our AV device along with our HDMI device. First off, grab a pair of AV cables, which will have yellow, red, and white on both sides, and we can begin by connecting to our HDMI device. So just match the colors, yellow, and then the white and red are for audio. So look on your device, there'll either be a left or a right, or just the yellow, white, and red. Connect all of these. Next, go to the adapter and do the same thing, match the colors, yellow, white, and red. Now we can connect our HDMI output side to our monitor or TV. Grab an HDMI cable. It'll have the same end on both sides of the cable. And of course, I'll have it linked down below. Plug it into the adapter where it's labeled output and has the HDMI part. Then plug the other end into your TV. You have to go around the back of your TV, and on the back of your TV you will want to locate the HDMI input, and sometimes the other ports may be taken up by other devices, but just choose the one that you want and then plug it into that. Now you can go ahead and flip around your TV. And lastly, like I said, the biggest mistake people make when putting all this together is they forget to power the adapter with this cable here. So go ahead and plug it into the adapter, and then grab a USB power supply. This could be like one from your iPhone, or sometimes even TVs will have a USB port on the back of them that you can use. And then just plug this into the wall, along with your AV device if you haven't already. Now that that is all configured, we can go ahead and turn on our HDMI device. And using the source button, go ahead and select the HDMI that you plugged your device into. And for me, that was HDMI 1. Now just power on your AV device. And there you have it. We have successfully converted our older AV devices to HDMI to use on our newer HD displays, which may not have an AV input. And one last cool feature I'd like to show about this specific model is it has a 720p and 1080p option available by moving this little switch here. As you can see right now, I have it set to 720p. And if you look at my monitor, it says 720 in the top right. Now if I go ahead and switch the device to 1080p, it now is running at 1080p. And that's about all there is to it. So thank you for watching, and if you ever need any more tutorials like this one, make sure to stick around.